Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine if this is your first time here. Today we are going to do a really gold bronzy look. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. So I'm just going to start off by priming my eye with my Laura Mercier concealer. I absolutely love this concealer to conceal before I do all of my shadows. So the first shade that I'm going to use is the shade Necessary, and this is from the DESI and KATY collab with Dose of Colors, the FRIENDCATION palette. I believe it was the palette that they used the second time around. I absolutely love this palette. It is so pretty. The shimmers in it is just like, oh, so pretty. We're going to use one of them later in the tutorial. So the next shade that I'm going to use in the palette is the shade Churro. And I'm just going to put that right underneath the transition color that we use. And this is just a really pretty dark, warm brown that's going to help with the transition when we do our lid color. So for our lid, we're going to use the shade Just a Kiss. And it is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It has a nice gold, orange-y kind of shift depending on the way that you look at it. It's a very warm shimmer and I really love it. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. I started with my finger just because I always feel like those types of shadows go on better with your finger, and then I use a pointed brush to kind of get in there and create what I like to call a baby cut crease. I don't like to have those harsh cut creases. I always like to do the soft cut creases. So now I'm just gonna grab an orange shade, and you can grab any orange shade from any palette, and I'm just gonna put it right where I put the warm brown shade because I wanted to see a little bit more orange in this look. And I'm just gonna go back and forth and kind of put it in my outer V, and it's just gonna help everything blend really nice and create a really nice transition. So for my inner tear duct, I'm just going to use a silver highlighter that I got from STILA. I'm going to kind of blend it up into the gold shift color just because I wanted a lot of sparkle, a lot of bronze. So here I'm just curling my lashes, and I'm going to put on some mascara, and any old mascara would do just to prep my eye to throw on some lashes. And the lashes that I use are round and very, very wispy. Next, I'm going to go right into my foundation, which I wear Fenty Beauty in the shade 385. And on top of that, I'm going to use a Hourglass foundation stick to highlight. Next, I'm going to use my Hourglass setting powder, and I'm going to set it underneath my eye, and then I'm going to contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. The powder that I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish. I absolutely love this powder to set my contour. So to complete this really bronzy look, I'm going to use Moscow Mule by Fenty Beauty to kind of use as a highlight / blush. And I'm just going to pack it on as much as I can because I really want to have a nice glow. The pencil that I'm using to line my lips is Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to top it off with a lip plumper from Dior. Alright, thank you everybody for making it to the end with me. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm just really in love with how this look turned out. I was really going for a really goldish orange bronze look, and I think I executed perfectly. If there's anything that you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see all of my videos. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Have a good day.